Hey guys, another TOS video for you. If you haven't seen my videos before, my name is Jim. I've had Thoracic Outlet Syndrome for about 45 years now. I had surgery on the right side about 33 years ago now. They just took the scalene muscles out. I still have the top rib. And I've never had surgery on the left side just because I still have more pain in this right shoulder than on this side, so I just never wanted to have the left side done. Now what I've been working on lately is I've been having pain in this left shoulder, and it's kind of under the arm and the armpit there, and I was like looking some stuff up online on the computer there a bit ago, and it looks like that's where the bicep muscle ties in and kind of up under the arm there, and it also comes down, the bicep comes down through the elbow. Now I used to have pain in this elbow right there like years ago, not so much anymore, but still a lot of pain in this shoulder area. So like I said, I was looking that up, and I thought I'd kind of like show you guys that diagram and show you exactly kind of where the pain is. I flared up this shoulder like about 6 months ago, and the pain was so bad in it I could hardly lift my arm, and I had trouble sleeping and a bunch of things, but I'm slowly getting the mobility back in it. But as you can see, this is the bicep muscle, and it ties in up under the arm, in the armpit right there. So that's kind of where it feels really painful. So I'm not sure if there's like, if it's the bicep, if there's, I think there might be some like rotator cuff stuff involved, and it could, I don't know if there might be a nerve kind of caught in there too that causes pain. I'm not really sure. And then you got like the pec minor that kind of, I think it comes up here and ties in right there. So I've been massaging that area in the armpit with my fingers. It's kind of hard to get in there, and I can only just do it a little bit at a time because I'm afraid I'll flare myself up. And if I flare myself up, you know, you gotta let everything calm down, and sometimes that takes a few weeks or a month. So it's kind of a real, you have to be really careful. And then see that down here is where it ties in the elbow. That elbow used to be like really tight and then get kind of a burning feeling through it right there and stuff. So, you know, I'm pretty sure that muscle's involved, and I'm not sure like, you know, how much the nerves are involved or anything. I don't have any tingling and numbness or anything like that. It's more just pain, and most of the pain is right in there in that area. So that's what I've been working on. A lot of the stuff you see about thoracic outlet syndrome, they're talking about the, you know, the top rib and the compression between the collarbone and the top rib and where your nerves come through there. But when you're like me and you've had it for many years, I think it affects like a lot of your other muscles, and you get, you know, tight muscles and muscle imbalances, and I think you get tight fascia, and fascia is like that webbing that covers your muscles, and I think it, you know, it kind of ties certain muscles together so they don't move freely. And I think there's just a lot of other things that get involved that people are kind of discovering a little bit more now. So if anybody else has problems in that area, let me know in the comments. But I'm just going to kind of keep working on it. And I kind of slacked on my, you know, on my maintenance and my mobility stuff for the last several years just because I got kind of busy doing other stuff. So kind of, since I've been doing some videos, I'm getting a little more motivated to kind of get back on it. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys that little update. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.